Hello and welcome. Hope you're all doing well. How's your day going? How's your weekend? Have you got any plans for the weekend? Anyway, this week we're going to talk about my O'NEAL trainers. So I've started mountain biking about 5 years ago. I've always enjoyed bikes and stuff like that, but I only really got into it about five years ago, the grand old age of 42. So when I bought a mountain bike, I was using normal trainers, and I come across these. I saw that everyone was wearing these Adidas 5.0s and stuff. I saw some other brands, but I was like, I saw these O'NEALs. I was like, I quite like those. They're not over the top, but they're bright in ways which would be handy for my cycling to work. So 4 years ago, I bought these, the O'NEAL pumps, and I love them. I bought them from the local shop, Go Outdoors. It's a brand over here in the UK, company like a sports shop. Yeah, I bought these 4 years ago, and look how well they're doing. They're doing extremely well. Obviously these go on my crank level stamps, and yeah, I can't fault them in any way or form. I wouldn't say they're fully waterproof, as I found out recently in a downpour cycling home, but I did end up a bit of dampness around where the tongue goes and where the eyelets are. But apart from that, they've been completely waterproof, and obviously around the ankles. These are an amazing pair of trainers. I know that obviously everyone has their brand that they like, but I like these so much that I bought some more for spares. So when these ones do get worn out, I can use those. Those ones are slightly different colour, those ones are the grey ones. I've got some here as well, slightly different. The pumps and the flats. So again, these ones I do wear on the mountain bike every now and again, but not very often. But these ones I use for everyday use. I've walked around Disneyland Paris, and anyone that's ever been to Disney will understand how much walking you do. So though they're not quite Skechers or Nike Airs or Adidas or anything with the nice cushion pump, these, well, I think I walked about 30 miles that weekend in Paris, and yeah, I can't fault them at all. I do love my O'NEALs trainers. They're pretty bloody good. So if you're looking for a pair of trainers, consider the O'NEALs. They really are a good pair of trainers. I don't know how waterproof these ones would be, so that they're not like a leather. If you look at the inside, they're like a suede on these ones. But yeah, they're just I never do my trainers up because I'm a bit lazy. Or if I do it on time, I'll put my underneath the tongue. These ones aren't done up, so I just slip them on and off, so I don't have to worry about so yeah, absolutely amazing trainers for mountain biking and everyday use. Plus I think they look pretty cool. They don't look like the run-of-the-mill Nikes. I was going to say a word then, but I thought they're better not. Because it might upset a few people. But still, I love to wear these every day. Go back to these ones. Like I said, I had these ones for 4 years. No splits whatsoever. They've done extremely bloody well. Really happy with them. I've used these for mountain biking. I use these every day for cycling to and from work. I've used these for walking around before I got my grey ones. And they just held up so bloody well. So O'NEAL, thank you very, very much. Just do a little bit of a close up on that. Can you see that? There. Yeah, just O'NEAL, well done, mate. Or company, or he, them, she, trail, you know what I mean? Absolutely amazing pair of trainers. That's it. 4 years of these. No qualms whatsoever. It is a brand new pair which I've not worn yet. Just wow. There we go. So these ones are the, let's have a look on the side of the box, shall we? I can tell you what these ones are. So these ones are the O'NEAL Pumped Flat Shoe. And these ones are the O'NEAL Pinned Flat Shoe. So these ones are slightly different colour. I did have 2 more pairs, but they were sat around doing nothing, so I sold them on. Just saving these ones till last, because these ones are my favourite looking ones. Absolutely love them. I think they look amazing. Saving these ones till last. And yeah, just so O'NEAL, watch this, you're going to send me some more, I don't mind. Amazing piece of kit. So if you're looking for a decent pair of mountain bike trainers, or even just cycling trainers to and from work, that you can wear every day, get yourself a pair of those. Not really going on. Like I said, they're not quite Skechers or Nikes or Pumas or Adidas, which are all super comfy, made for jogging and running. But these bad boys, very good everyday trainers and very good protection all round. And yeah, love them, absolutely love them. I'm a bit of an O'NEAL fanboy. I do have some O'NEAL shorts and O'NEAL shirts, but I'm also a bit of a Troy Lee fanboy as well. Got some new Troy Lee trousers, which you may have seen one of my shorts. Got some O'NEAL trousers as well. Yeah, just love O'NEAL trainers. Probably a bit of a boring video this week, so I apologise. I didn't know what to put up to make this at the last minute. Didn't even better sleep. Got a little monitor here. Got my coffee. So I thought I'd just tell you about my O'NEAL trainers. That's it. Great piece of kit. These ones were £85, so they're a bit more expensive. And these ones were £75. But for what they are, I think they're a great piece of kit for everyday use and cycling to and from work. But whilst we're here, still need to give these away. O'NEAL Ruffian Grips. O'NEAL Ruffian Grips. So the first person to send me an email with your address, as long as it's UK only, I'll send you these O'NEAL Ruffian Grips for free. You'll get them for free. I'll send them to you free of charge. They're brand new, never used. So if you'd like them, just send me an email, which is in my description somewhere if you want to contact me. And yeah, I'll send these out to you. Absolutely free of charge. Get them out my way. So OD as well. I love my OD grips. As you know, my OD waffles. I bought these as a backup, but I've got quite a few waffles now laying around. Some new ones. I might even do a good one of those at some point. There we go. Anyway, free of charge. First person to send me an email, as long as it's in the UK, I'll send these out to you for free. Anyway, I'll stop my jabbering now. O'NEAL's, awesome stuff. All you need to know. Smell test. Still smell alright. That's because it's chucked down there. I got so true to my boxer shorts. Anyway, if you want some, you know what to do. I'll leave a link in there in the description to the O'NEAL website. If you want some, grab yourself some. Let me know how you get on. Leave a comment in the comment section. What kind of trainers do you like wearing in your mountain bike? Is there a certain brand you prefer? Do you wear normal trainers? She wear flip flops. Seen that before. She wear clogs. You know what to do. Anyway. Adios amigos. Buenos noches. Always wear a helmet.